Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A rework soldering station is an essential tool for anyone involved in electronics repair or assembly, particularly for tasks that require precision in desoldering and resoldering components. Unlike basic soldering irons, rework stations offer more advanced features, such as adjustable temperatures, specialized tips, hot air guns, and suction tools for removing components from circuit boards without causing damage. These stations are designed to handle delicate tasks like PCB repairs, IC component replacements, and the removal of surface-mounted devices (SMDs) with accuracy and ease. Whether you're a hobbyist, technician, or professional, a reliable rework soldering station is a key asset in achieving high-quality soldering results while maintaining the integrity of your components. Number 1. Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station. The Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station is a powerful, dual-purpose tool designed for precision soldering and rework tasks, ideal for electronics enthusiasts and professional technicians alike. It combines a 550W hot air gun and a 90W soldering iron, making it versatile and efficient for various soldering jobs. Here's a closer look at its features and performance. The Bakon BK602S Rework Soldering Station is an impressive, versatile tool for those who need a reliable, high-performance soldering and rework solution. Its power, temperature control, and anti-static design make it highly suitable for intricate electronic work. While lacking advanced features like a digital display, it remains an excellent option for professionals and hobbyists looking for an efficient, dependable soldering station. Number 2. JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station. The JCD8586D Rework Soldering Station is a versatile tool designed for electronics repair, DIY projects, and general soldering tasks. It's equipped with a 2-in-1 design, combining a hot air gun and a soldering iron in one station, which makes it highly efficient for various applications, including rework on BGA components and precision soldering. The JCD8586D is a solid choice for hobbyists, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable rework station with essential features at an affordable price. It might not have the durability of professional-grade units, but for light to moderate use, it's an excellent tool. Number 3. Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station. The Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station is a versatile and robust tool designed for electronics repair, especially well suited for both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. It combines a hot air rework station and a soldering iron, providing flexibility in a single compact unit. The Yarboly 8586D Rework Soldering Station offers excellent value, combining essential features for both soldering and rework tasks in a single, compact device. The performance is solid, and the temperature stability is impressive for its price range, making it suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike. The only minor drawback is the basic temperature control interface, which some users may find limiting. However, its power, durability, and quiet operation make it a reliable addition to any electronics workspace. Number 4. JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station. The JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station is a versatile tool for both professionals and hobbyists, offering impressive performance and features that make it a strong competitor in the rework soldering station market. With a substantial 800W power output, this station can efficiently handle a variety of soldering and rework tasks with ease. The JCD8898 Pro Rework Soldering Station is a powerful and reliable tool for both professionals and enthusiasts looking for solid performance without excessive frills. Its impressive temperature range, stability, and airflow control make it ideal for a range of soldering and rework projects, while the affordable price point ensures good value. Number 5. KSD8898 Rework Soldering Station. The KSD8898 Rework Soldering Station is a versatile, powerful tool designed for both professional and hobbyist soldering needs. Here's an overview of its performance, features, and potential advantages and disadvantages based on its specifications. The KSD8898 Rework Soldering Station is a well-rounded and powerful soldering solution. Its combination of high temperature stability, wide temperature range, and ESD-safe design makes it suitable for both professional and advanced hobbyist applications. While it may not be the most portable option, its robust performance and durability make it a solid investment for users requiring a reliable, multifunctional rework station. Many thanks for watching this video.